In this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Trading 212 app. By the end, you'll have selected the correct crypto account inside Trading 212, deposited funds in the right currency, found the coin you want, placed your order, and confirmed your purchase. First, open the account menu inside the Trading 212 app and select the crypto account. Make sure you're in the crypto account so you're buying the real underlying asset, not a CFD. A CFD, or contract for difference, only tracks price movements and doesn't give you ownership of the coin. If you see any mention of CFDs, switch to the crypto account before continuing. Next, deposit funds. Choose to add fiat currency to your account. EUR is the standard option here, and using euros helps you avoid extra conversion fees. If your card or bank funds you in a different currency, be aware that the app may apply a conversion fee. Select your preferred deposit method: bank transfer, card, or Apple Pay or Google Pay. On screen, enter the amount you want to deposit, confirm your details, and approve the payment. Follow the prompts until you see the deposit submitted. Once the funds show in your account balance, you're ready to buy. Now search for the crypto you want to purchase. Tap the search bar at the top of the app and type the ticker or name, like BTC for Bitcoin, ETH for Ethereum, or XRP. Select the correct result to open the crypto's detail page. You'll see the price chart, the current buy and sell prices, and the option to place an order. From here, place your order. Tap Buy. Choose the order type that fits how you want to execute the trade. Market order buys immediately at the current available price. For limit or stop orders, buy only if the price reaches a level you set. If you want an instant purchase, select Market. If you want to control the entry price, select Limit or Stop and enter your target price. The app will show where your order would trigger. Now enter how much you want to buy. You can type the amount in your currency, for example in euros, or enter the quantity of coins. If you enter the amount in euros, the app will calculate the estimated coin quantity for you. If you enter coin quantity, it will show the estimated total cost in euros. Check that the number is correct and that you're comfortable with the total. Small decimal amounts are allowed, so you don't need to buy a whole coin. Once that's done, review and confirm. Before you place the order, carefully check the order summary. Look at the crypto name and ticker, the order type, the amount or quantity, and the estimated price. Note the spread, which is the small difference between the buy and sell price. This is normal and reflects market liquidity. Also check for any potential fees shown on screen, including conversion fees if your funding currency isn't euros. If everything looks right, confirm the purchase. For market orders, the order will execute immediately at the best available price. For limit or stop orders, the order will be placed and will only execute when the market reaches your specified level. After you confirm, you can go back to your portfolio to see your crypto position listed under your holdings. Tap into it to view the filled price, quantity, and current value. If you placed a limit or stop order and it hasn't filled yet, you'll find it under your pending orders. And it will execute automatically when the price condition is met.